Thanks so much for stopping by my YouTube page. In today's video, I'm bringing you another unit from UNICE Hair Company. And if you guys are interested on how I install this unit, keep watching my video and stay tuned to the end for my final thoughts on this wig. So while I'm doing a little unboxing, I'm going to talk about this unit. So this is a 10-inch short bob wig from UNICE Hair Company. It's an asymmetrical bob. The lace comes with a side part already inside. It's already pre-plugged, so I really don't have to do anything to this unit. I'm gonna just install it for you guys. Quality of this hair is very nice and soft, and it's tangle free. As you can see, it does come with 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps. So this unit does come with a gift bag as well as a stocking cap. So I'm going to open up my gift bag and see what I have inside. I do have a scarf, so I can tie this scarf around my head if I want. It does come with hair clips as well as lashes. So let's get right into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned to the end for my final thoughts on this wig.
I'm feeling high.
So my final thoughts on this wig, I really like it. I really didn't have my flat irons. I'm in the process of unpacking everything because I did do a move. So I just had my skinny flat irons. As you've seen, I did use my Molength lace adhesive. I did use the olive oil as well as the Got To Be hairspray. I like how it turned out. I feel like bobs are spring, summer, winter, fall. Okay, because this bob is really pretty. I like it. The length of it is nice. Yeah, I think it's really cute. What do you guys think? I hope it turned out pretty good. As you can see, the bob is nice, right? And look how natural it looks. Look at it. You guys may know, a lot of people starting to use the elastic band around the hairline because it melts the lace down. If you want your hairline to be really like sealed, melted, I got my elastic band from Joann Fabric. They have different types. This one has like the little ripples and lines in it, but they have one that's like a solid line. So all the links will be down below in my description box for this unit. Like I said, this unit did come from UNICE Hair Company. So you guys enjoyed this video. I thank you so much for watching. I thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll talk to you soon in my next video. Bye.